Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust battery saving settings for Steelseries Rival 3 wireless. And to do this, here I downloaded GG software from Steelseries website. Now you should find Engine and Rival 3 wireless inside. If you click on it, you'll be able to adjust battery saver settings with a sleep time slider, so you can adjust how long your mouse will, when your mouse will go offline will power off after being idle. So let's set it to 8 minutes like that. You can also enable or disable high efficiency mode. It extends your mouse battery life with high efficiency mode, automatic settings. There's also illumination smart mode. Illumination turns off while the mouse is moving and reappears when stationary. And you can enable all of those settings however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.